Hey guys, it's time to talk about the LG G7. Since the G6 was unwrapped at MWC last year, you might expect LG to unveil the G7 at the end of this month in Barcelona. But you'll be wrong. The Korean company has recently decided to overhaul its launch strategy, so all we're getting at MWC 2018 is apparently an AI-infused iteration of the V30. LG's true next flagship smartphone is set to arrive in June. According to a new report from Avalanche, this device will not be called G7, which means we may bid farewell to the G series. Right now it's known only by its code name Judy. It will pack the Snapdragon 845 chipset, of course, a prerequisite for any top-of-the-line handset in 2018. This will be paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of built-in storage. The Plus or S model may launch with more, say a 128GB Chromebook. Judy will have an HDR10 capable 6.1-inch 18:9 touchscreen with 800 nit brightness. This will be accomplished thanks to LG's new MLCD Plus display technology, which also happens to consume around 35% less power than a standard IPS LCD. The panel will employ an RGB W subpixel metric with the W in there standing for wide. The phone will support a dual camera setup, of course, with glass optical elements, two 16-megapixel sensors and f1.6 aperture on both lenses. IP68 water and dust resistance is a tool, along with a military standard rating for durability. Interestingly, it is said to also have stereo sound marketed as a boombox speaker. Other features include camera AI and wireless charge. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.